He is full of vanity, believing that my flight wasn't that high. But I have faith that the sky isn't that high. There are but a few people who fully justify the spirit of these lines. They are capable of bringing the sky down to their feet by the virtue of their sheer determination and hard work. And one such great personality is Mr. Rajesh Singh Rathore. With his passion, he has not only tasted the sweet fruit of success, but has also shaped several other lives. And it is because of him that many farmers and investors are becoming prosperous by cultivating tissue culture Burma teak.
Hello, I am Rajesh Singh Rathore, Managing Director from Vatican Sona Agrotech Private Limited, a leading tissue culture sagwan project company in India. एक्चुअली हम लोग एग्रो फॉरेस्ट्री कंसेप्ट को अपने इंडिया में कर रहे हैं, इस प्रोजेक्ट को कर रहे हैं एज ए कमर्शियल फार्मिंग। हमारा मकसद है, हमारा पर्पस है कि हम इंडियन फार्मर्स और इंडियन इन्वेस्टर्स को अलावा वर्ल्ड के सारे फार्मर्स और इन्वेस्टर्स हमारे इस कंसेप्ट को अडॉप्ट करें, ताकि ये बेस्ट फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग है। हम अपने इन्वेस्टर्स को एक बेस्ट फाइनेंशियल स्ट्रेंथ देते हैं। ये एक कमर्शियल फार्मिंग ऐसे है जो ट्रेडिशनल फार्मिंग से अलग होता है। हमारा मकसद यही है कि जिस देश की आबादी 70% एग्रीकल्चर पर डिपेंड करती है, वहाँ का किसान कोई भी उनके साथ एक फाइनेंशियल कमजोरी वीकनेस ना हो, हम उनको फाइनेंशियल स्ट्रेंथ देने की कोशिश करते हैं। यकीन मानिए, आज के देश में हमारा मोर देन 10,000 पीपल्स इन्वेस्टर्स आर एसोसिएटेड विद अस इन इंडिया। और इंडिया के अलावा हम जो काम कर रहे हैं अफ्रीका, मलेशिया, तंजानिया, नेपाल, श्रीलंका, इन सब कंट्रीज में हमारा बड़ा बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट लग रहा है इसी एग्रो फॉरेस्ट्री का। लोग बेहतर रूप से अपना रहे हैं। यकीन मानिए, इस प्रोजेक्ट के साथ आपका 12 साल बाद जो मैं कहता हूँ कि सबका दिन आता है, आपका जमाना आएगा।
Rajesh Ji's story is not only inspiring but also teaches us to be hopeful and courageous. A native of Hakma village of Siwan district, Rajesh Singh Rathore was earlier serving in bank and insurance sector at a good post. After completing his intermediate, he went to Delhi and there began his saga of struggle. Along with studying MBA in finance, he continued researching on different species of teak for many years. After several years of research, he planted 2,000 saplings on a 2-hectare field in his own village. And in 2016, he established his own company, Vatican Sona Agrotech Private Limited. After this, he began inspiring the farmers towards cultivating tissue culture Burma teak and tissue culture G9 banana plants. By establishing a company for maintaining environmental balance, Rajesh is campaigning in the country in this direction. Along with all parts of India, this company is also working overseas in such a short span of time because of its quality and expert team. These countries mainly include South Africa, Madagascar, Malaysia, Tanzania, Sri Lanka, Nepal and Burma. Many professional teams are working in several states to provide integrated services to the farmers and investors.
Hello everyone, I am Vikas Thakur, partner in Vatican Sona Agrotech Private Limited. Happy to serve.
Hi, I am Pradeep Singh, working here as बिजनेस हेड नॉर्थ इंडिया। सबका दिन आता है, आपका जमान आएगा।
Hi, I am Ankit Dhawan. I am here for channel development manager. सबका दिन आता है, आपका जमाना आएगा।
Hi, I am Akanksha Song. I am working here as a corporate business manager. So सबका दिन आता है, आपका जमाना आएगा।
Hi, I am Swati. I am working here as customer relationship executive. सबका दिन आता है, आपका जमाना आएगा।
My name is Gaurav Kumar. I am working as business manager. सबका दिन आता है, आपका जमाना आएगा।
This is Vatican Sona Agrotech Private Limited, a leading tissue culture sagwan project company. सबका दिन आता है, आपका जमाना आएगा।
And many people are also getting associated with us. It is not just about farming, but the company also takes the responsibility of selling teak at appropriate prices with the permission of the farmers. Vatican Sona Agrotech prepares tissue culture Burma teak in its own lab situated in Delhi and then provides it to farmers and investors.
मैं डॉक्टर रत्नेश कुमार सिंह, टिश्यू कल्चर साइंटिस्ट, अभी एसोसिएटेड हूँ वेटिकन सोना के साथ। और हमें बहुत खुशी है कि हम ये कल्टीवेशंस का वर्क कर रहे हैं फॉर आवर ग्रोअर्स, फॉर आवर फार्मर्स, फॉर आवर नेशन, टू मेक आवर फार्मिंग मोर सस्टेनेबल, मोर अप्रोचेबल टू local growers and desired cultivators. Thank you very much.
Along with the profitability that comes along with the cultivation of tissue culture Burma tea, there are several environmental related benefits too. The biggest advantage is that it is an excellent way to stop illegal deforestation. Also, it will reduce global warming, and when it comes to farmers, it will financially stabilize them. Shri Rajesh began his journey whose destination is extremely beautiful and appreciable for him, for the farmers and for the entire society at large. Giving the credits of his success to his family, Rajesh ji has changed his own life, but his obsession to bring about a change and endeavors of achieving something has also made the farmers prosperous and independent. Along with this, Vatican Shona Agrotech Private Limited is also contributing to India's GDP. And for this, Rajesh ji definitely deserves immense appreciation and praises. This is why Vatican Shona says that for people, good days come. For us, an entire era is waiting.
I am grateful and thankful to the Asia Awards, proudly presented by the Rula Awards, with the prestigious title Asia Innovative Company Awards honor to me. Finally, this biggest honor goes to our all team who supported to the company at all time.